I recently stayed at Brisas Del Mar Beach Hotel in Roatan, Honduras, and in this video I'm going to give you a tour of the property and my room and share my full and honest review of my stay. I'll cover the condition of the resort, the pool, beach, dive shop, food, entertainment, and more. You'll want to watch this to the end if you're thinking of staying at this West End beachfront property or on Roatan. If you're new to the channel, I'm Latoya and welcome. Brisas Del Mar overlooks the Caribbean Sea and is only 5 to 10 minutes away from the restaurants and bars of the West End. Let's start the tour in my room. It's located on the second floor. Now there's a keypad to gain entry, so you don't have a key card or wristband, which is convenient. It did make me a little nervous at first, but it really grew on me as the days went by. I won't show you the code just to keep things secure. And here is my room. It's nice and bright in here. I have a king-size bed, which was so comfortable. There's a ceiling fan and AC unit. Also, there is plenty of storage, as you can see. This small fridge is empty, but they do provide water. That mesh is the hammock, and I'll show you that later. Over here is a small coffee maker that I'll never use, and 2 bottles of water that are not restocked, but there is a filtered water dispenser just outside my room. This is the breakfast menu, and I will take you down there shortly. You can use this jug for your filtered water. And here are your beach towels. Let's head outside. Every room has a nice big balcony. Look at this beautiful view of the Caribbean Sea and pool. What more could you ask for? Well, there is one more thing, and it's a hammock. This is what it looks like when it's set up. There are 2 hooks and it's really easy to put up. Let's head back inside. The washroom is basic. The shower is big and everything is clean, which is number 1 for me. That was a theme throughout my whole stay. This hotel is clean and well maintained. Good morning. It is breakfast time, so I'm gonna go down and show you the restaurant and show you what the breakfast options are. Breakfast is from 7 to 11 and there are a few different options, so let's go and check it out. So here is breakfast. It's right downstairs along with the pool area. And then here's the hotel. How cool is this? Door. It's a door. So this is the hotel's restaurant. This is where you eat all your meals basically. They have happy hour every evening here. So let's see what the breakfast is like. You do have a lot of options. So you can see there are some things a lot of things included, but you can do some add-ons. I went with the American breakfast. Okay, breakfast has arrived. Looks pretty good. They don't have brown bread, that's okay. And then the coffee is self-serve, so you just go get it yourself. I'm drinking it black today because the milk's sitting out and I'm scared to drink it at room temperature. It's gonna hurt my stomach, so let's dig in. My favorite breakfast was waffles and chicken. In addition to breakfast, I enjoyed lunch and dinner here a couple of days. The snapper ceviche was delicious, and so was the fish tacos. One night there was even live music. It ended around 10. The one thing about Roatan is that many of the bars close by 11. So just down from the restaurant is this little beach area. And there are beds out here. And this little floating thing that I saw some people having drinks at yesterday, I will probably be doing that later. But it's this nice little beach area right down here. And then you can have a really good look at the hotel from here. It is so hot. Yesterday was 31. And that's where we walked down from. So yesterday was 31. I think it's about the same temperature right now. So I'm gonna go for a little dip into this water. Probably a little too soon after breakfast, but hey, let's live a little. You can continue walking down the beach. It is a long stretch of beautiful sand and clear water. There are some small hotels and accommodations tucked in behind here, but there are long stretches with nothing and hardly any people. There are no rocks and no seaweed, just perfect swimming spots. I walk down here every morning and it was glorious. At the hotel, you can take out kayaks and stand-up paddleboards free of charge if you're a guest. If you're more of a pool person, you'll be happy to know that it's open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. and is typically pretty quiet. A pool is very rare in the West End. The dive shop was great. All of the staff were friendly and very supportive. I went snorkeling and made up my mind to do a discovery dive, but I ran out of time. Brisas is such a special hotel and feels like a tropical dream. The staff were lovely and helpful. The security at night made me feel extra secure. The Wi-Fi was pretty good. The hotel arranged my shuttle to and from the airport. It was $35 USD each way. They can also help connect you to tour operators and you can arrange any tours you'd like to take. I had an incredible time and will definitely return. Don't forget to subscribe for more Roatan and travel content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace!